I'm glad you're joining me in this first course in the Facebook Marketing Analytics Professional Certificate Program. This course is an introduction to marketing analytics. It's structured in 4 parts, each of which will take you about a week to complete. In the first week, I want to highlight why analytics matters for marketers. I will walk you through the roles of a marketer and a marketing analyst and explain how they go hand in hand. I'll describe the different tasks marketers focus on and how marketing analytics plays a role in each of these tasks. If you've worked in marketing or analytics before, most of this may be familiar to you, but it will help to set up the structure of this course and give you a good framework for all the tools you'll learn throughout this program. And if you haven't worked in marketing before, this will be a good intro to both the marketing and the marketing analyst's roles and the tasks they focus on. In the second week, I'll focus on the different data sources that are used in marketing. By the end of this week, you will have a good understanding of the typical databases marketing analysts use and where they come from. We will look at the kinds of data that's collected related to offline user behavior, and we'll also look at the data that result from digital interactions, like website visits and online purchases. You'll also learn about the tools used to make data collection online possible. Then, in week 3, you'll learn about the marketing measurement and analytics tools marketing analysts use to categorize, report, and analyze this data. First, we'll take a look at how marketing analysts use spreadsheets to structure and analyze data. Spreadsheets are also used to visualize data, but we'll also look at a few specific tools that are all about transforming data into images that help to understand patterns and derive insights. Then we'll turn our attention to the tools that are specifically used to understand online user behavior, like Google Analytics, for instance. And we'll take a look at measurement and reporting tools that are embedded in marketing platforms, like Facebook's Ads Manager. At the end of this week, you'll know which tools are core to a marketing analyst's toolbox, and you'll have a high-level understanding of what all these tools can do. Finally, in our last week in this course, we're going to talk about data and privacy. Handling data comes with responsibilities, and I think it's essential that every marketing analyst understands the power as well as the boundaries of the use of data. To do that, we'll put ourselves first in the shoes of the consumer and look at privacy from their point of view. Then we'll evaluate privacy considerations from an advertiser's perspective. And finally, we'll go over some of the protections and regulations that you'll need to know about as a marketing analyst. Throughout the course, you'll find many practical exercises and quizzes in which you will put yourselves in the shoes of an analyst. You'll be able to choose the right data sources and tools for common marketing questions. Knowing how to navigate the wealth of data that marketers have at their fingertips is a key skill for a marketing analyst. So let's get started.